Hello barbecue friends, it's Barbecue Jones. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new member of the Barbecue Jones family. And here it is. It's the new Blackstone 36-inch griddle. Today we're going to unbox this bad boy, put it together, put it to some good use. I think this will be a great addition to all the barbecue tools that we have in our arsenal, and let's get it going. This grill has been out for about a couple of years now. I'm just going to do a quick put together here, and then I'll show it to you when we're done. So one thing I'm seeing here is this. Let me zoom in. This is a little bit on the shoddy side. I don't know if it's bent, but let's say this is the one piece that's just not maybe 100% of everything else. Otherwise, everything else here is looking pretty good. Alright, so we have finished getting the grill together. We got all our buttons on, everything attached. We've got our propane tank attached. What I did was I took a little bit of sandpaper and I just gave this kind of a slight rub to get this surface really smooth. Not too much, just a little bit here and there. Then I took my rag. We're going to get it kind of cleaned out. As soon as we do this here, we'll be ready to get with the seasoning. All right, so we're going to see if this turns on. So we're going to open up our grill, propane, turning it on. All right, let's turn on a burner. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it to low initially, as I've heard it could work if you start it on high. Let's see what happens. All right, we've plugged it in. We have power. Let's try this again. Open hood, press the igniter button. Now let's turn the gas on. Okay. Press igniter button, push in and turn control knob to high. Okay. If ignition does not occur, return to off and repeat after 5 minutes. All right, one thing I forgot about was the battery. So you actually got to put a battery in here in the ignition switch. So we're doing that now. All right, so now let's start this again. I'm going to turn on the propane. Okay, now we turn the ignition burner, which is one of these. Hold this for 5 seconds. Oh, we're going. Ooh, I see flames, baby. We're cooking with propane. Now, I don't know Okay, let's see, we can definitely tell by doing this. Is lower. So we're gonna let this just kind of heat up on low a couple minutes. All right, so we're getting there. We're running hot. Let's do a temp check. We got 472, 455, 493, 459, 481, 479. We've got the discoloration, it says. It says to use about 3 tablespoons of oil. So we're going to do that now. We're going to use avocado oil. All right, let's put on about 3 tablespoons. Look at that steam. You can see we're not real perfectly level here, but not bad. All right, let's rub this in. Try to get a nice even coat on here. That is hot. Make sure we get the sides as well as the flat top of the griddle. Whew. Make sure we get this all evened out. Frying my fingers. Okay, it says kind of let the heat burn off the steam here. Once this kind of burn off, we will do another layer. I'm gonna do about 5 layers. Ooh. I might go get me a glove for the next layer. This is hot. All right, we'll be back in a sec. We finished our final seasoning. We're just letting it burn off. We're going to be ready to do some griddling. Hope you enjoyed this. Stick around. We'll be doing some good cooking here because we're all jonesing for some griddling.
I will never have to cook again! Yay!
Obviously, the wife likes the purchase.